to my channel. And here we have a rectangular base pyramid. This is the top view or the plan of a rectangular base pyramid, and this is the front elevation of a rectangular base pyramid. If you look at this base, it is positioned in this form. What I'm going to do here is to show you how you can obtain the true length if you are to develop the surface of this rectangular base pyramid, because this distance O prime 1 here, this distance O prime 1 is not, or the length O prime 1 is not the true length that we can make use of to produce the surface development of this rectangular base pyramid. So we need to find the true length. So what we just need to do to find the true length is to put the midpoint of our compass here at this midpoint, that is point O here. Then we extend it to this point 2 on this corner 2 here, okay, on this base. So we extend it to this point. Then we are going to rotate it. So we rotate it, okay, so we rotate this point to bring it to this horizontal line. So bring it to this point on the horizontal line. So this point now, so let's call it 2 prime. So 2 prime. Then we are going to draw a vertical line from this point 2 prime. I need to extend this horizontal line on this base here. So then I will draw a vertical line from this point. Okay, so drawing the vertical line from this point to meet this horizontal line. So this point I will call it 2 prime prime. So this point 2 prime prime, I'm going to connect together with point O prime on the apex of the pyramid. So this is it. So we join this point together. So this line now, this line O prime 2 prime prime is the true length that we are going to make use of to obtain the to obtain the surface development of this rectangular base pyramid. Now I'm going to show you how to produce surface development of this rectangular base pyramid. Now let's see how we can do it. It's going to be a complete surface development because it is not truncated. It's a complete rectangular base pyramid. So let's see how we can produce surface development of this rectangular base pyramid. So what we need to do now is to come to a point here and we draw horizontal line. So let's call this point here, let's call it point O here. So this is point O. Then we take our compass and take distance O prime 2 prime prime, which I said is the true length of the pyramid. So we take this distance like this, and then so we put the midpoint here at point O, and we are going to draw an arc. Okay, so we draw an arc like this. So the arc goes like this. Now, so what we need to do again, or what we need to know again, is to know the point where we are opening from. That is where we have the seam. So I'll just assume that we have the seam on this part, that we are cutting it here and we are spreading. That is where we have point 1. So here we have point 1. So if I put 1 at this point, if I put 1 here at this point, okay, so let's put 1 at that point. So the next thing that we are going to do, we take distance 1 2 prime, distance 1 2 prime like this, and we put at this point. So here we make an arc here, this rectangular base. So then we take distance 2 3. So distance 2 3 like this, we have to take it. It's a rectangular base, so we have to take it 1 by 1. So then we put the midpoint at this point here. So we obtain draw an arc here. Then we take this 3 4, distance 3 4. So we take it. Then we put at this point. Then we make an arc here. So then the next is we now have distance 4 1. So we take 4 1 and we put at this point, and we make an arc here. Okay, so if I'm to number this, so from 1 to 2, so this is point 2 here, and from 2 to 3, so this is point 3, and then from 3 to 4, so this is point 4. Then we have 4 to 1, so this is point 1 here. So that's point 1. So don't forget that we have what? We have 2 width and 2 length. So what I need to do now is to join point 1 and 2 together with a straight line like this. Okay, as you can see, this distance as a thick line, and also I will also join 2, 3 together. 2 and 3, I will join them together like this. Okay, then I will also join 3 and 4 together. Then 1 and 2, 4 and 1, I will join them together like this. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I will connect this point 2 together with point O here. Okay, then this point, I want to make this line more visible. Okay, so this point 3, I will connect together with point O here, and also so point 4, I will connect it together with point O, and then so point 1, I will connect it together with point O here. Okay, so then I need to make this line a thick line. Alright, so this is the survey development of the complete rectangular base pyramid. As simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice. Thank you, and God bless you.